Are you overpaying for TPMS? Check out MT-RSR.com and compare prices today. Alligator with MT-RSR, and today we're going to be talking about the Simmings One Direct sensor. What I like about this sensor that sets it apart from some others on the market is that it is completely epoxied. This prevents water from getting inside. Everyone knows that when you're driving along, especially in the winters and here in Minnesota, it gets super cold and your TPMS sensor light comes on. Very frustrating. And then you are driving to the dealership and on your way there it warms up and your light comes back on. That's because water got into your system. This will prevent that. Another great benefit of this system is that it works with over 25 tools, including Snap-on, Matco, and any other ATEQ tool. If you don't have a tool, these are also available in bundles on MT-RSR.com, which make your tool virtually free. Whether you want to reduce inventory, reduce costs, or you just want an overall better system, we offer 3 different brands to help with any of your needs. These are available in NFC, dual frequency, and Bluetooth. Come check out MT-RSR.com today. Go to MT-RSR, check it out, call us. We love that. Okay.